Alright, so today we're going to put a circulating heater on this 4450. The block heater cut out on us, so instead of replacing it, we're just going to go ahead and upgrade to a circulating heater. First thing we're going to do is on the left side of the engine here, beside the oil cooler, there's a little coolant drain on the side of the block. We're going to pull that on out of there, and that's where our spigot's going to go in for the hose for the bottom of the circulating heater. Okay, so in the box we got our circulating heater, 1/2 inch inlet and outlet on it. Comes with a clamp to hold it as well. In the bag of stuff here we got clamps, the spigot we need for that side, and a T which we're not going to use. So let's get the spigot out of the bag here, and we'll head on back over to the tractor here and we'll get it installed in that block drain. Put a little bit of Teflon tape on it, get her snugged up nice and tight, and then we'll run that hose over from the other side. So I started by putting the hose in just behind the starter on the right side of the tractor. I was able to kind of curl it around the back of the engine. Then if you come over here to the left side again, you can reach up in between the battery box and the wheel well, feel for it, and you'll grab it there and then kind of push it forward out to where we need it here. It's a little bit of fumbling around, but with some wiggling and some pushing you can get her. We'll get it onto the spigot here, get the hose clamp tightened, and we'll go get the heater installed on the other side. Over on the right side of the tractor here, you're going to locate this fitting in the top of the cylinder head, which is just above the oil filter. It's just a 1/2 inch square drive. So I'll use my 1/2 inch ratchet, we'll break her loose, and then we're left with some 3/4 pipe thread that we're going to get a reducer to go down to our 1/2 inch hose for the heater. We'll get those all installed and then we'll get our heater in place. Okay, so I got a 1/2 inch pipe to 1/2 inch barb and a 3/4 pipe to 1/2 inch pipe reducer to get everything into the head. And here they are installed. Here's an up close of where they go into the head. You can see there's lots of room to get at them there. Easy to put the hose on. Let's go get that circulating heater and get it in place. Okay, so you can see we have the circulating heater in place here. I got both hoses connected to it now. And I'm just going to put on the little bracket. I'm going to kind of use it to attach to a line that comes off the pump here with a nice little rubber insulator. And then we'll also hang the cord off it after, make it look nice. Well, we've had her on here for about 20 minutes now plugged in. Top hose is real warm. You can feel that antifreeze moving good. Put your hand around the bottom hose, you can feel the antifreeze moving inside of it. And the whole top of the cylinder head now is nice and warm. So there she is. Successful. It's working. Time to go farming.